Hi everyone. Okay, so here's the plan. Today I'm going to set up a raised bed on our new deck right behind me here. It's quick, simple, doesn't require construction. It's just an easy way to get growing vegetables. In about 15 minutes, I'm going to have a space set up and ready to grow, and I can't wait for you to see how fast it all comes together. Now our old deck was sagging and we really couldn't use it anymore. So I started thinking about what could we do with this space. So we installed this new interlocking tile, and now it's time to install a garden. So I'm envisioning, I don't know if you ever dream about your garden, a couple of raised beds right here, a trellis arch in between, nice and green, a spot to sit under, and maybe even a potting bench in the corner. So I'm really excited to get it going today. Now the whole point of this project is to keep it simple, not to take a lot of time because things are getting really busy in the garden right now, and for it to be low budget. I don't have time for a big construction project, to go to the hardware store, to buy the wood, cut the wood, build it. So what I decided to go with is a Smart Pot raised bed. Now this is a 2x4 raised bed. And the great thing about this is I can just pop it up, fill it with soil, and have an instant garden ready to plant my vegetables. It's affordable, and the 2x4 size fits my space perfectly to be quick and easy to pop up. Now here's where the magic happens. In one quick step, literally, I'm assembling this bed in just a few minutes. I'm popping it up and then adding the pre-cut PVC pipe, which is all in the box along the edges to hold up the garden bed. It even has this really nice support in the middle, and voila, I've got this instant garden bed. It's so quick and easy, and I honestly love how it turned out. I love how quickly this came together, and all you need is a drill. It's just so easy to assemble. I'm just gonna pick it up and move it to where I'm envisioning it to be, right over here. Now what's better than one raised bed, but two raised beds? So exciting to finally see my vision come together. 2 raised beds. As soon as we get them filled with soil and planting, we'll have lots of fresh veggies out here. And we're gonna keep a little seating area right here so we can chill out and relax at the end of the day. And Jerry's gonna build me a potting bench right back here. And then hopefully he's gonna get his lamp post right behind us. But there's still one more thing left, an arch trellis, so I can grow vertically and really maximize every square inch of this space. Now this one I actually accidentally bought 2 of about a year ago on Amazon and forgot to return it. Have you guys ever done that? We're gonna put it to good use over here in the garden. Now I'm really excited about this as an arch to connect these 2 garden beds. It's gonna be lush and vibrant and green and full of veggies, and even a fun little place to sit. I used our new garden planner to lay out the space, figure out what veggies I want to grow, install the trellis, and even figure out what veggies I want to grow over the trellis. So excited about this new space, and all that's left is to fill it with soil. We're going to be adding drip and also adding plants. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for that. I hope that this video really helped you think of some ideas on how to quick, simple, inexpensive, make over a backyard garden space and have a beautiful spot to grow in. Now keep in mind, I did pay for this at one point, but I forgot I had it. So it really does make it quick and simple to get set up. Let me know what new ideas you have for your outdoor space. Looking forward to reading your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the garden.